been a good counterpuncher, but he's not countering any effectiveness in this fight.
That's it. They're going to stop the fight.
Ngayong paparating na linggo ay magtutuos na sa wakas ang napurnadang laban ng pambato ng Amerika, ang undefeated at kasalukuyang WBO North American Boxing Organization Super Bantamweight Champion na si Raiz Alim alias The Beast kontra sa ating pambato na si Mike Plania alias Magic. May malinis at impresibong record itong si Alim na 19 wins, 0 loss, 12 dito via knockout, habang impresibo din ang record ng Pinoy na 26 wins, 3 via knockout at may isang talo. 32 na ang Amerikano habang 25 pa lang itong Pinoy. Di basta-basta ang makakalaban ni Mike Plania mga pre. Bukod sa undefeated at knockout artist ay nakuha din ito ang WBA Interim Super Bantamweight title nang talunin niya ang nooy undefeated rising boxing star na si Vic Pasillas via TKO. Naging WBO North American Boxing Organization Super Bantamweight Champion din nang talunin niya si Eduardo Baez via majority decision. Isa sa mga brutal niyang tinalo ay itong former WBA FIDE Latin Super Bantamweight Champion at WBC Latino Super Bantamweight Champion na si Adam Lopez. Biniyak niya ang ulo at binasag pa ang ilong nito. Sabay nating balikan ang madugong laban ni Raiz Alim kontra Adam Lopez.
Thank you very much, Mr. Stephen Farhood. Lopez won the 2012 Olympic trials and Alim 2 times National Golden Glove medalist.
Unang round, mas agresibo agad itong si Alim. Mas sumusugod at mas nagbabato ng mga kombinasyon. Pero pumapalag din itong si Lopez gamit ang kanyang mga counter.
Come up to our partner.
Not even close.
You got diamantes, but I'm
kind of resuscitated his career when he moved to Las Vegas. He'd been off, but worked out very well for him so far. Good body shot. And I saw
Walton, who couldn't move his hands this way, and Alim's been moving his hands freely from the start of this fight.
again that has to do with the amateur experience.
An uppercut and a right hand behind it. Of the two, I would say Alim executed probably a little bit better.
No doubt.
Round 2, ganun pa rin ang takbo ng laban. Agresibo pa din si Alim, mas mabilis ang galaw at mga suntok at mas accurate din ang mga patama nito.
Yeah, we can start using it more to stop that speed of Alim.
I think Alim doing
You got a jab with a guy that has a lot of speed like Alim. You got to jab with him and throw when he throws. And it's only the second round.
Yeah, Alim's quick.
Yeah, good feet, quick hands. Let him go. Lopez holding on again. He took 3 right.
Yeah, that'll be good. Yeah. That's a good jab.
Yeah, he's got it. Took the right hand.
Power shots, domination by Alim, 42%. Only 3 shots for Lopez.
He's really going backwards. He's looking, Lopez looking.
Alim steps into the right.
Awkward shots, Alim, but they're landing.
And they may be awkward, but he's balanced.
Yes,
And conversely, the desperation.
Yeah. One goes with the other, right?
For the bell, 10 seconds. Blood coming from my nose. No. That is not a knockdown.
Sa huling segundo ng round 2 ay nabiyak na ang ulo nitong si Lopez dahil sa lakas ng banat nitong si Alim.
This is round 3. We're going 8. Domination so far.
Brings a lot of blood into Roman's eyes in the fight. But right now, I don't see.
Round 3, tuloy pa din ang laban. Magandang galaw pa din ang pinapakita ni Alim. Mabilis ang mga paa, head movement at mga suntok nito. Pati mga komentator ay talagang napabilib sa galawan ni Alim. Unpredictable daw ito.
Hard left hand.
It's really true. Alim's coming from different angles. He's trying different things. Most of them are working, but he's not predictable.
He still seems to be unbalanced when he goes.
Not to try to take anything away from Alim when this is only the third round, but you know, this is Lopez's 8th fight right on Showbox. Not only is he like in the past. I don't know what you guys think.
No, yeah, I agree with you.
Second gear. He never really showed that he could turn it up when he had to.
Yeah.
Yeah, quick right hand, another short right hand.
Even in the past, like you said, we never seen that explosiveness from Lopez.
Nice combination. Right hand of the body, left hand of the head.
Because his chin gets checked. He's been down 3 times. 2 of them were against Danny.
And this sort of going to get you out of it with one punch, but boy, Lopez has taken a lot. Now Lopez a little chopping right hand, but he took one in return. How you feeling?
Philadelphia. Not that long ago,
Another Philadelphia guy.
he's about as good as it gets for the future of boxing.
Round 4, dominado pa din ni Alim ang bakbakan. Dito na din nag-umpisang mabasag ang ilong ni Lopez sa sobrang lakas ng suntok nitong si Alim.
From I believe his right eye. So I wouldn't be surprised if they stopped the fight. And then he asked him something else, and I couldn't really clearly understand. But he's in big problems right now.
Yeah, he is. A lot of blood now. I don't know if it's all from that cut on the scalp, but
Yeah, he's been locked under the right.
he's been outworked all right from the opening bell.
And Adam Lopez has always been a good counterpuncher.
Nang hilamos na ng dugo itong former champion, kaya referee na mismo ang nagpahinto sa laban.
That's it. They're going to stop the fight. Well stopped. Well stopped.
Talagang walang kalaban-laban itong si Lopez. Walang awang dinurog ni Alim, ang dating Latino champion. Talagang bagay sa kanya ang bansag na The Beast. Ngayong linggo, dihado man sa pustaan ang ating pambatong si Mike Plania. Sa tingin ng karamihan ay talagang angat ang galing nitong si Alim. Pero di din dapat magkumpiyansa. Baka magaya lang ito sa dating hambog na kalaban ni Plania na si Joshua Greer na paborito ding manalo noon. Pero ilang beses lang palang pinabagsak ni Plania at panalo ang Pinoy via controversial majority decision.
Magic Mike Plania. Not quite sure.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.